Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. In this time of coronavirus, be safe and be healthy. As for today, we are going to know about the oilseed crops. So first of all, what is oilseed crop? Oilseed crops are those crops from which we can get the oil. As simple as that. The importance of oilseed crops they are that they can be grown on all kind of soil. They are important constituent of the crop rotation with millets and pulses. They are valuable cash crops and bring ready cash to the farmers. They are a source of foreign exchange. They provide raw material for many industries like paints, soaps, lubricating oils, etc. They contribute vegetable oils and fats to Indian diet. The edible oil cakes provide concentrate for the cattle, and the non-edible oil cakes are used as manures, and some oil cakes like castor cake controls termites due to their vermicide properties. Now let us know about the different kinds of oilseed crops, and the first oilseed crop that we are going to know is groundnut. Its botanical name is Archis hypogae. Its origin is Brazil in South America. Since it's a tropical crop, so the climate required is long and warm growing season. Soil should be well drained, light, loose friable, sandy loam, well supplied with calcium and rich in organic matter with pH from 6.5 to 7.5. For preparing the tillage, plowing and 2 to 3 times harrowing should be done. Time of sowing is Kharif, that is from June to July, and Rabi, that is from Feb to March. Method of sowing are drilling and dibbling. Number of seed per dibble is 1. Spacing should be 30 into 10 centimeter square for bunch or erect. For semi-spreading, 37.5 into 15 centimeter square, and for spreading 45 into 15 or 20 centimeter square. Seed rate for bunch or erect should be 90 to 100 kg per hectare. Semi spreading should be 80 to 90 kg per hectare, and spreading should be 60 to 80 kg per hectare. Plant population for bunch and erect is 3.33 lakh per hectare. Semi-spreading is 80 lakh per hectare and spreading is 125 lakh per hectare. Manure that is applied is FYM, that is farmyard manure or compost, and that is to 8 to 10 tons per hectare. In case of fertilizer, NPK is applied in the ratio of 25:50:0 kg per hectare for irrigated, 12.5:25:0 kg per hectare for rain fed, and in general 20:40:0 kg per hectare. Aftercare can be done by gap filling or 1 to 2 times weeding. For water management, generally it's a rainy season's crop, so 2 to 3 supplementary irrigation is required, but for summer season 8 to 10 times irrigation is required. Harvesting is done in 100 days for bunch or erect, 120 days for semi spreading, and 150 days for spreading. Yield which we will get for bunch or erect is 15 to 20 quintal per hectare, for semi spreading 20 to 25 quintal per hectare, and spreading is 30 quintal per hectare in case of irrigated. And the oil content is 45 to 55%. The varieties of groundnut are, in case of bunch, Coppergum number 3, SB11, Faisper 1 and 5, JL24. In case of spreading, Karad 4 and Karad 11, M13, TNV1, JMV3. In case of semi-spreading, UF70 and UF103, Coppercam number 1, TMV10, AK8 and AK11. The next one is sunflower, also known as Surya Fool. Its botanical name is Helianthus anansus. Origin is North America. The climate required should be cool climate, but the weather should be warm and sunny. The soil is medium to heavy soil with pH 6.5 to 8.5. For preparing the tillage, plowing is done and 2 to 3 times harrowing is done. Time of sowing is Kharif June July, Rabi October and summer, that is from Jan to Feb. Method of sowing are drilling and dibbling. Spacing should be 60 into 22.5 or 30 cm square for heavy soil with tall varieties and 45 into 30 cm square for medium soil with dwarf varieties. Seed rate should be 10 to 12 kg per hectare. Manure applied is farmyard manure and that is to 5 to 6 ton per hectare. Fertilizer is NPK and that should be in the ratio of 60 is to 30 kg per hectare for rain fed and 50 is to 20 is to nil kg per hectare for irrigated. Aftercare can be done by 1 or 2 times weeding. For the water management, medium water is required for Rabi and summer and no water is required for the Kharif season. Harvesting is done in 90 to 100 days. The yield which we will receive is 10 to 12 quintal per hectare for rainfed and 15 to 20 quintal per hectare for irrigated. And the oil content is 36 to 42%. The varieties of sunflower are LDR SH1, LDR SH3, MSHF1, 817 and many more. The next one is safflower, also known as Karadai or Kusum. Its botanical name is Carthamus tinctorius and origin is Abyssinia and Afghanistan. Climate required is cool climate that should be drought resistant. Soil should be black soil, loamy and light alluvial. For preparing the tillage, plowing and harrowing is done. Time of sowing is Rabi from October to November. Method of sowing is drilling and dibbling with mixture with wheat, gram and jowar. Spacing should be 45 to 50 into 15 to 20 cm square in case of mixed and 20 to 25 into 20 to 25 cm square in case of pure. Seed rate should be 8 to 15 kg per hectare for the mixture and for the pure 20 to 25 kg per hectare. Manure applied is the compost or farmyard manure and that is to 12.5 kg per hectare. In case of fertilizer, NPK is applied in the ratio of 40 is to 40 is to 20 kg per hectare for irrigated. Aftercare can be done by removing the top of the plant to encourage branching. For water management, 1 or 2 time irrigation is required. Harvesting is done in 120 to 125 days. Yield which we will get in case of mixed is 125 kg seed per hectare. In case of pure, 500 to 800 kg seed per hectare. For dye purposes, 100 to 150 kg of dried petals per hectare is available and the oil content is 28 to 30%. The varieties of safflower are N630, N628, N7, CT11 and many more. The last one is mustard. It is also known as rye or mohari. Its botanical name is Brassicum junci. Its origin is Europe. Climate is cool climate. Soil should be well drained. For preparing the tillage, plowing and harrowing is done. Time of sowing is Rabi, that is from September to October. Method of sowing is broadcasting and drilling, and it can be grown as mixture and also as pure crop. Spacing should be 45 into 10 to 15 centimeters square in case of pure. Seed rate should be 2 to 2.5 kg per hectare for the mixture and 4 to 6 kg per hectare in case of pure. Manure applied is farmyard manure or compost, and that is to 15 to 20 tons per hectare. In case of fertilizer, 60 kg nitrogen per hectare is required at the time of sowing. Aftercare can be done by thinning and 2 times weeding and 2 times hoeing. Water management is done by 2 times irrigation. Harvesting is done in 75 to 100 days, in which at the time the plant matures. The yield which we will get is 350 kg per hectare in general, and in good condition is 1000 to 1200 kg per hectare. And the oil which we will get is 25 to 33%. And varieties are all local varieties. Finally, I would like to end over here. If you like my video, then please click the like button and share this video with everyone. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to receive the notification for our upcoming videos. For our next video, it is going to be on the cash, fiber and the spices crop. So don't miss that video. Until the next time we meet, bye bye and have a nice day.